tan inverse of cos x divided by 1 minus sin x. It's an inverse function. They have given solution. So here given is tan inverse of cos x divided by 1 minus sin x. So we need to simplify for cos and sin first. Okay. So we'll be simplifying here. We know that cos 2x will be what? Cos 2x formula is we have cos square x minus sin square x. One formula we have this. Then we have other one is cos 2 x by 2. If it is x by 2, it will become cos square. In place of x, we'll write x by 2. Cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Then we have next one is cos x. Then this 2 and 2 get cancelled. We get cos x will be equal to cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. So the formula for cos square x will be using this formula. Then second one we have sin 1 minus sin x. So here we know that sin x formula is 2 sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2. So now we will be substituting these two values in the given question. So here if you substitute this here, what do we get? We get here tan inverse of here cos is what? Cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 divided by it is 1 minus 2 sin x by 2 minus, it is not minus, it is into cos x by 2. We can write here tan inverse of cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. For 1 we can write it as cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2. So we have the identity. Using that identity we are writing by minus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. So we get this term. It is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we can write that in the form of that formula. It is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab can be written as a plus b whole square. So we are writing here a as cos square cos and cos x by 2 and b as sin x by 2. So we can write this as here cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 divided by, we can write it as a, that is cos x by 2 cos x by 2 plus minus, it is minus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. So here we can write this the upper part as a square minus b square formula. Again a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So if you write that in the place of cos square x by 2 sin square x by 2, we get cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 divided by we have cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. So here square and this get cancelled. So we get this as tan inverse of cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. So now what we will do is we will divide throughout with the cos x by 2. So if you divide by cos x by 2, what we get? Tan inverse of, This will be cos and cos x by 2, cos x by 2 cancel, we will get minus 1 plus sin by cos we will get it as tan x by 2 divided by 1 minus tan x by 2. This formula is nothing but we have a formula for 1 plus tan x 1 minus tan x will be what? It will be, it is in the form of tan a, that is in the form of tan a plus tan b formula. Tan a plus tan b will be equal to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b, 1 minus tan a tan b. So it is tan a plus tan b can be written as tan a plus b can be written as tan a plus b, a plus b. Tan a plus b can be written as tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. So it is in that form. So we can write it as, the answer we can write here as that is, we get tan inverse of 1 means we can write it as tan pi by 4 plus tan x by 2 divided by 1 minus, if it is nothing means we can write it as 1, that will be tan pi by 4 into tan x by 2. So if you see this, it is in the form of a plus b. Your a is pi by 4 and b is x by, your a will change it to pi by 4 and b will change it to x by 2. So if you write in the answer, we get tan inverse of tan pi by 4 minus x by plus x by 2. So this tan inverse and tan will get cancelled. We get the answer as pi by 4 plus pi by 4 plus x by 2 is the answer for the given question.